Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Nene. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to do another video using the Deco-Art Americana Enchanted paints. I'm going to use the ones that I used in my last video. The colors were so vibrant and beautiful. I'm going to use those. Plus, I did find the Americana Enchanted Shimmer paints, all in the same colors. Gold, violet, and blue. But right here I'm showing you the colors from my last video. These are the regular Enchanted paints, iridescent. Now, and I got the green. As you can see, the green. I didn't have the green last time, but I found it, so I decided to add that into my painting today. And here are the shimmer ones. Just a Shimmer Violet with the little bits of glitter in it, which I hope comes through. And then the Shimmer Gold and the Shimmer Blue. I'm going to use all these together because I want to see, it's an experiment. I want to see how they turn out. So I'm going to use all 7 of these. Also, I did try out the other ones on a white background. I did mention that I wanted to see if it would come out on a white background. And it didn't really work. It didn't, I poured a white background. I poured the colors down and nothing happened. So I know that white background is not going to bring these colors out. So I had to pour black on top of the colors that I poured, and this is what I could get out of it. And then I just blew with my straw to get the black to get down in there with the other paints so that I could bring that color out. And that's what I got. It doesn't even look that bad, actually, so I think it's a pretty good save. I'm just glad I did it on a small canvas instead of a big one. But overall, it looks nice, but don't try it on white. I haven't tried it on any of the dark colors, which I may do my next round of shopping at Michael's when I go to get some more of this paint. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour these paints and see what I come up with. Hopefully it comes out nice like the last one. And I think I'm going to do a puddle pour. I'm going to do a puddle pour, and let's see what happens. Thanks for joining me. I will also be showing you the dry results, the wet results up close, and the dry results. So I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for joining me. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is it. You know, I don't know if anyone can tell, but I have like this passion for like the galaxy and the night sky. I unconsciously make these pictures sometime. Like this looks very galaxy like my other one. And even the one that I did in a video that I'm going to post shortly after this one is giving me an idea to just do like a galaxy series. I did do a galaxy collection, but this is like, I should just do like a bunch of different galaxy looking planetary paintings and then just sell them sell them on my Etsy in like a little category or something. But anyway, this one, just, it looks really white, but all of those colors are going to change to the colors blue, the violet, the gold. Right now I don't really see any shimmer, but hopefully that'll show as the picture sits and starts to dry a little bit. But yeah, I love the way it looks, and I'm very happy with the design, the way that I blew it out. Again, I'm thinking that I'm thinking that the center is probably going to be mostly gold, I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see. That's the fun part about these paints. It's like you blow it out, you see the color, and sometimes you have to wait as it dries for the colors to just develop, which is really nice. I like that. Yeah, so I would love to know what you guys think about this one. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because I'm always doing something. Yeah, so yeah, I'd like to know what you guys think about this one. So I'm going to show you the close-up. There it is. Now you can see the gold. Well, the center is still kind of creamy white, but that'll change. But you can see some of the gold, and you can see the violet, and some of the blue. Yeah, and a lot of lacing, which is surprising. I didn't put any silicone or anything in this painting. I just put water, mixed it with water. But I'm thinking I might add some stars to this. Have some white metallic paint, and just when it dries. I just want to see what it looks like when it dries first before I add them. But I'm really thinking that I'm going to add some stars. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God, that is so pretty. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So here is the dry results. Look at that. That is so crazy. Over there, there's a bunch of colors here. The gold, the violet, the blue. It's crazy beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed with these paints. I'm already thinking, what can I do now? What can I do now? I wonder if they sell these in bigger bottles. I don't know. I have to look that up. But yeah, I am really feeling this. I love this. And look at the metallic-iness. I really don't see like a glittery shimmer. Not really. I mean, I definitely see the metallic in this painting. I do. But anyway, guys, look. You have to let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I love to read your thoughts on it. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching this video, and I look forward to doing more, and I look forward to you being there to see it. Oh my God, look at that. It's so pretty. But I'm going to pop out of here. And again, thank you. I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.